are the Igbos and where are the Igbos from? Let me first of all start by telling you where the Igbos are currently located at or where they are from, and then I'll tell you who the Igbos are. The Igbos are from West African part of Africa, in Nigeria and in southeastern part of Nigeria. Who are Ndi Igbo? Ndi Igbo simply means the ancient people. When the British people came to the southeastern part of Nigeria and saw Ndi Igbo, they called us Igbo, which is IBO, but we were known mostly by Igbos. Igbos or Igbo means I came before others. It is said that the Igbos of the southeastern part of Nigeria established Egypt, that the ancient name of Africa, Al-Kabulan, was or is an Igbo language. While most people